How to fix the issue with Doordash application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Doordash application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Down Detector website and search for Doordash. Now here we will check whether the server of Doordash application is alright or not. As you can see, user reports indicate no current problem at Doordash. So that means the issue is with your device. After that, you need to head towards the setting of Doordash. For that, tap and hold on the app icon of Doordash and click on App Info. After that, now once you are headed to the setting of Doordash, click on Clear Cache as sometimes collected cache of the application can also affect its performance. Now after you have implemented all these steps, what you need to do is if your problem is still not solved, go to Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device and update the Doordash application. And that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Doordash application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.